Hi, it's Bethany. Welcome to today's video. So today I'm planning out Thursday, March 25th in my Plum Paper planner. And I've really been enjoying these new Zig clean color dot markers, like all these. It's just like my favorite thing. I love it so much. So I'm going to do more of that today. The color I have is candy pink, and I will link to these in the description below as well. And then I'm also going to use some of this Erin Condren washi. This was like really seriously backordered on the EC website last year, and I was obsessed with it. Like, I kept refreshing the site every day. I could not get it, and finally I remember I got it on Amazon. I was just like crazy relieved to be able to get it, and it actually comes in a 2-pack. This one and its sister washi are seriously my favorites. They're just so pretty and I really love them. So let's go ahead and dive into today's spread. If I can get this off the roll. There we go. So I'm not going to do any whiteout today. I'm just going to take this across the top, and I don't mind if it has a little bit of like that ripped edge. I think it looks pretty. I do want to get it off of my little to-do label there though. Let's see if I can do that. The weather here in Minnesota today is super rainy. It's been cloudy all day and really dreary, so I brought an extra lighting. Hopefully it's not too bad when I go to edit it and whatnot, but I'm like, it's really dark in here. I usually try to wait till I have some natural light just so that I can have that to boost the lighting that I have in my little makeshift like studio, whatever here. But it's really dark, so I'm hoping this doesn't turn out super dark. All right, so essentials for me could be anything from dinners to workout to like my work schedule, whatever. It's really super non-committal. So I'm gonna use it as like a top 3 in this particular page. And the things I really need to get done tomorrow would be my training. So that's like just, of course that has to happen. I have 2 of them tomorrow I'm looking forward to. And then also I really need to get a workout in. I have not had like a serious lift session in like 3 weeks. And that's because when Westy got COVID, everything like shifted, and it was half I was busy with taking care of him and stuff related to that, and half I was super stressed out, and half, that's a lot of halves, right? I mean, math doesn't work like that, but I was just like mentally not available for working out. I don't know, do you guys ever feel like that? I definitely did the past few weeks, so I need to get a workout in tomorrow for sure. And then also, what else? Tomorrow I really need to do some cleaning because it's been a while on that as well. I mean, I've been straightening up and stuff, but I haven't like, mopped the floors or done any vacuuming and dusting or anything like that in a few days. So just some kind of cleaning needs to happen tomorrow before the house gets out of control. So I'm just gonna shift over next to my to-dos. And for these, because I'm like in trainings for 4 hours and I have meetings another hour, so that's a lot of my day. I'm going to go every other line with this. That's really bright pink. It's kind of loud. I was hoping it was gonna be closer to this. Shoot, I think I have one that is closer to that. Yeah, I think there's one that's more of a peach, but it's fine. I think it's still cute. So we're just gonna keep going. So I'm gonna go every other line with the work to-dos. And that does leave me some space for if I wanted to add in some additional things as well between. I still have space to do that, of course. And then while I've got this open, I'm going to go and mark in some kind of little areas for things to do for home. And then the self-care has been really super easy because I can just line up the line across, and I usually space them out about there. And that's been working out great as well. I've found that I can only really do consistently about 4 things with the self-care before I just don't care to do it. Like, I get overwhelmed with more than 4. 4 is like my magic number for whatever reason. And then for the schedule for tomorrow, what I've been liking doing is giving myself like a line to kind of remember so that lunch sticks out a little bit, because otherwise I get busy and I don't do lunch, and then before I know it, it's 3 o'clock and I'm feeling like I'm going to die because I haven't eaten anything. And also having a little bit of movement on the lunch break has been helpful. So I've been walking if the weather is nice, or doing the Peloton, just a really short, like 10-minute easy something if the weather is bad, like it has been. So I know it's going to be in the lunch hour somewhere. I don't need the time specifically. I'm just going to write in lunch. And then I think I actually have a sticker. Let's use a cycling sticker. It's gonna be cloudy tomorrow, so I don't know if it might rain a little bit or not. And I'm gonna put on, I just wanna use the Peloton sticker, let's be honest. Okay, it's not officially a Peloton sticker. It's like this indoor cycling sticker, but I'm gonna use one of these. Yeah, let's do black one. And then in the mornings, I've been getting up a little bit earlier to take Wesley to high school. So that would be, let's see, I've been getting up 6:30, 6 o'clock. It's not like super early, but it's just earlier than I had been getting up. So I'm just gonna write an AM routine. And Wes, because it fits on the line. Okay, next at 10 o'clock, I have a training. So I'll usually start my day around 8 o'clock, but I didn't leave myself enough room to do like the stuff I usually do at work. So as long as I've got my major events on there, I'm happy for today. So that'll be a 10 o'clock training. And then also I have another one at, let's see, I have a meeting at 1 o'clock. And then I have another training at 2. And then I think it's at 5 o'clock, Wes has his hockey program again. Okay, so next I'll write in the things I need to do for work, and that is email. I really like to make sure that I respond to everything by the end of the day. Not sure if you can hear the footsteps upstairs, but like I mentioned in a previous video, I'm in the basement, so apologies for the extra background noise. Okay, so email, I also need to do basically our documentation after training, so I just usually put notes and CPU. Then I also need to do some casework, basically following up with the people I do trainings with. And there's also a project I need to start. And I meant to write in start project, but I was doing too many things at once by talking and writing, so I will just write it like that. Let's see, I also need to send out meeting invites. And then I've got one open for something else that I know will pop up, and probably the rest of these will fill in as well. But that's a really good start, I think. All right, so for home, I really want to do a few things. So I need to, if I have time, this is kind of more of a wish list thing, but I need to return some stuff I got from Amazon. So if I have a chance, I need to go over to Kohl's and return that stuff. Also would like to, again, the cleaning I mentioned, so that could be vacuuming or dusting. If I could get both of those done, that would be fantastic. And then for self-care, I really need to continue with my PT exercises, and I've been doing pretty good with that so far, so I just want to continue it, but I have so far a couple days down. I'm going to do it again tonight and hopefully build a little bit of a streak with my physical therapy stuff. I also want to do my smoothie and greens and also get some reading in and hopefully bath time. Seriously, like bath bombs lately are my favorite thing. Like I can just sit in the bath for a long time and it's amazing. Okay, so that is a pretty good start to my planning for next week. Not next week, tomorrow, just tomorrow, but that's okay. I'm gonna flip through my little sticker book here and see if there's anything I wanted to add in while I'm here. Oh, I could do the weather. Yeah, the weather's, like I said, supposed to be cloudy and 52 over 25. Oh, this hydration sticker is perfect with the pink. And a little workout cat. You can go right there. This is a little, like, you see, tiny, tiny book sticker. This is Sammy Doodle Designs. Super cute. Oh, you know what? I remember that actually I do want to do laundry tomorrow as well. Thursday's one of our laundry days. Stick this laundry sticker. I think this one is super cute for this little project line here. All right, I think that just about does it. It's simple, it's ready for tomorrow, and I feel like I've got my stuff together. It's always nice to plan a day ahead. Sometimes I do it the morning of, and I always feel like I'm just a little bit behind. I really like doing it the night before. So this is nice to have this all set for tomorrow. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, especially if you're here all the way at the end. I hope you have a great rest of your day, great week, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.